You are in the kitchen with Deb, and I am your personal kitchen consultant. And today, I am finally getting it done. And I've talked about getting it done on the videos, and I talked about it. And I'm finally doing it. And if you're like me, I bet you didn't even. Sometimes you're like, you keep putting it off what you gotta do. We all do it. I do it too. And we just have to set our mind to it. I'm going to get it done. I'm going to get it done this month. I'm going to get it done this day or that day. And get it done. Today is busy day. Today is get it done day. It's not that I have the energy. And I know you probably don't have the energy either. But it's the fact that I have to get things done outside too. Because winter's coming. So now I had to come back inside because I told myself this was the day I was going to do it. And guess what? Here you go. I emptied out the whole bottom here. This is that baking cabinet that I wanted to get done. Hey, Barbara, nice to see you. Bring them on the camera. I don't understand. I don't know what you mean. And I emptied it out. I wiped out the bottom of the cabinet. I'm just gonna get done little by little. I have all my stuff here that came out of the cabinet. And I'll show you that. Now, just from quickly looking at this is a spoon rest. Why it's sitting in the cabinet? I don't know, because right now I don't have a spoon rest. So I'm gonna go put that on my stove. That's one thing out of the cabinet. Woohoo, more space. Now, I also found, ladies, how many can openers do you have? I mean, do they multiply in the dark or what? It's like, oh my goodness, I have a couple more in the drawer that I use all the time. I'm putting them definitely on the side because I know I have to go through, I think I have 4 can openers. I don't need 4. I'm going to pare it down to 2, and that's it. I'm done. Now, I found a whisk. Now, I know I've got hanging by my stove. 2 whisks are ready. So I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to pare it down to 2. I'm going to go look at that, pare that down to 2, and put it all in the donation box. I also found popsicle trays from when my kid was little. Right now, I'm not even sure where the other half is that goes to it, the little sticks that go on that. So I'm going to have to put that in a side. I'll put it in a plastic bag until I find the rest of this, because I don't want to give it away yet. Because I know I have the pieces. I just got to find them. And my kid's not little anymore. So I'm most likely going to be getting rid of this. And if I remember, I had a hard time pulling them out of here. It didn't work too well. So I'm willing to let that go. That's going to go in the donation box. This is what I mean about just getting it done. And you know what I mean. You got to be either in the mood to get it done, Mom. I know you do. Or you have got to just tell yourself, I got to get this done. I got to get this done. And finally you get to the point where it's like, I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to start it and get that little bit done. And that's what I need to do. I mean, this is going to go in the garbage. This is what I used to use in between my pans. That's going right in the garbage. Look at more space in my cabinet already. I'm making decisions as I'm going along. This is my baking cabinet. I have ladles. I have an extra spatula. Now the spatula, I have to keep it and I have to hide it away because my son is horrible with spatulas. He ruins all mine. So that I do gotta put back and hide. I always have one of those on hand. I know better. This I could go take a look at and see how many spoons I do have. And I can get rid of that. That goes on the other side because I gotta go look. And then I'll have more for the donation. That's what I mean about just getting it done. So, I want to quickly pop in here, show you that. I'm going to go put it all back, at least in the bottom shelf. And tonight I'm going to finish the top of the shelf too. And later on, I will tackle the other side of the cabinet. Am I in the mood right now? No. I've been outside all day doing work and getting things done for the winter. No. But I will get this half of the cabinet done. And I'm going to finish it after I get off of here and get that done. So that I can at least have half done. Then comes the inspiration. Once you get it done, you're encouraged to do the rest. And I'm still going to have to make some decisions about every item I pick up. And you know how that goes. Now, I do have the Declutter Your Worst Kitchen Cabinet Challenge. And if anybody's interested in that, just let me know. It's not exactly the way I'm doing it here. I'm just doing this because I want to get this done. So, it's in there for you to do your own cabinet, and I want to know your results and what happened. And I got a surprise post. Aylin, nice to see you. I want to let you know I got a surprise post coming in tomorrow in the group, for those of you in the group. And I've gotten a lot of feedback, so I added something in tomorrow for you. That's special for you. So you have to wait for tomorrow morning's posting. I think you're going to like it. It was highly requested. So, ladies, drop me a hashtag replay if you're on the replay. Let me know if you need to declutter your worst kitchen cabinet. And I just took you in mine and showed you mine and showed you my stuff. I'm finally tackling it. So, I will see you guys later in the group, and don't forget about that special post coming in tomorrow morning. And I wanted to know an answer to that post. So, thank you ladies for joining me. Any questions, drop them in the group. Because I got to get back to this, get it done, because then I got to start dinner. Bye ladies.